Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your raw, low quality photo taken with your phone into something professional, like it was taken by a professional photographer with a professional camera and it was professionally edited. If you're ready, let's begin. So it happens a lot that we go out, we go to a beautiful place, we go on a trip, we are somewhere, we take some images with our phone to just remember that moment. But the problem is that these images are just taken with phone and they are usually low quality. They may be blurry, they may have some coloring or lighting problems, and they may not become as good as it can be. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the same low quality image that you took with your phone, any phone, and then convert it, use AI to convert it into something professional that I can guarantee you most people cannot recognize this image was taken by a phone. So to do that, we are going to use Rangy Agent. This is our Rangy app. And if you don't have Rangy, I will put the link down in the description. You can click on it and it will take you to Rangy website and you can get the app. And for those of you who are not familiar with Rangy, generally Rangy is a software that you can install it on your Mac or on your Windows, and it will connect to different AI models and you can use it to generate images and videos. So here, for example, in the core tab, we have a section to generate images. You can select your AI model and write your prompt and generate. In the Pro tab, we have some features to restore all damaged images into something professional or upscale up to 200 megapixel or use our prompt presets. On the video section, you can use it to generate high quality videos. Again, write your prompt, select your AI model and generate videos. And we also recently added Rangy Agent. And Rangy Agent is a chat that you just give orders. You don't need to know which AI model is good. You don't need to know how you should set the setting. You don't need to know how you should write a better prompt. You just tell the chat what you have in your mind. What do you want exactly for an image to be? How do you want to edit that image, or how do you want to create an image? Or even if you have, for example, videos in your mind that I want a video with different shots like this, whatever you have in your mind, you can just tell the agent and the agent will do the work for you. So a couple of days ago, I received an email from one of our subscribers, and he mentioned that it could be a good idea that we talk about this topic, that how we can improve, how we can boost the images that we take with our phone into something professional using Rangy Agent. So at that exact day, my wife and I went to, it was a small zoo, and we were there, and I thought it's a good idea to take some photos from the animals there and later create this video. So here are some of the images that we taken that day, and there are cool images. For example, look at this one, or this one. This was a really cool image. These two were looking at this bird and it was amazing. Anyway, I'm going to show you the result so we can compare the before and after. And then I'm going to show you what keywords I exactly used in the agent so you can do the same and try it on your own images. So this was one of the images, and this is before and this is after. Before, after. You can see, for example, I mentioned to improve the lighting and colors on the bird, add some dark vignettes around the image, and improve the focus on the main subject. So just let's compare it with before, after. You can see now this looks more professional. The colors are much better, the lighting is much better, and even the details of the image is much better. Let's look at another example. There's an example here, I really like it. So this is a good image, but it's clear that the lighting is not so good. The details, if we zoom in, it's not very clear. and it could be much better, right? So this is the before and this is the after. Before, after. How do you feel about it? Before, just look at the lights and the colors. After, it looks so real, so professional, so alive. And even if I zoom in here, just look at all the details. Let's compare it. Let me just come here and compare them at the same time. If we just copy the image from here, and if we come to the core tab, and let's find that image, here it is. And here, if we click on compare and click on paste, here is the original image. And now if I zoom in, we can compare them both at the same time. Now let's look at the details here and here, compare them together. Look at the details on the face and compare them together. Isn't this much better? The colors, the lighting, it's completely something professional. And if you show this to most people, they don't know it, that you just took it with your phone. Let me show you more examples. So here, there was another image I took and he was looking at me. And I got this image and I cropped it here inside Rangy. If you come to Pro tab, here there are some tools like resize and crop, and you can upload your image here and crop it. So I cropped it to this. And then from this, we get to this image. Let me just bring it here. And let's compare them together. Just look at the image. I really like the color of the wood, the changes that it made, the lighting and the colors on the animal itself. It looks really good. And look at all the details. Here it is very blurry, but here it is very sharp and you can see all the details in his face. Look at all the fur on his body. Look at here. Oh, it's amazing. You can see every single detail here. And it's amazing that we can convert just low quality images like this on the left to something really cool on the right. So let's look at some other examples. So on the left, we have our original image, our raw image. It looks cool, but on the right side, we have our professional image. And here even we have some kind of rainbow. It's amazing. And look at the colors here. They look so alive. And it looks like this shot was taken from a movie. It's just a screenshot from a movie. It looks amazing. What do you think? Just leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Do you think these images that we improved are much better and they look better comparing to the original or not? Again, here we have another example. On the left side, we have the original. And on the right side, we have the edited version. Just look at all the details here. All the sunlight shade coming, the rainbow that appeared here. Actually, here it was just, they have some fake raining to make the atmosphere more like a jungle for the animals there. And I took that shot right at that moment, and I told the agent to just add some rainbow here. Here we have another example, and just look at the lightings and the color, and her baby is under her just hugging the mother. And all the details here on the right image, they are very clear and very sharp. It's amazing. Let me show you another cool example. So let's come back to agent. Now, some people may not like this example. There was a part that it was completely darkness for the animals that need to be in darkness. And they put some red light, very low red light, I can say. So we as a visitor, we could see the animals there. And there was a part that there was some kind of lizard or something. I don't know their exact name. And they were in complete darkness, and I took this shot, and my iPhone was trying to get more light, and it took a lot of red light. But the real image is not clear for us. The real subject, it's not clear because we have lots of red light. There wasn't a good situation to take a photo. Now I wanted to try on this image and see if we can convert it to something professional. And let me show you the result. So I told the agent that I want you to fix the lighting, fix the colors, make it look like it's daylight. Okay, so here is the result. This is before and this is after. Before, after. Now we can see the animals here. We can see the subjects, we can see their colors, we can see the lighting, we can see their face, and it looks amazing. So sometimes we take some images, it is complete darkness, it's not clear, it's very bad, it's very blurry. You can fix that all here in Rangy Agent. For this image, I wrote down, let me show you the first version. This was the first version that it made, but it made some changes in the lizards as well. For example, that it changed the eyes of the animal, or it changed the posture of the animal here. Then I mentioned it, the lighting and colors are good, but try to keep everything the same. So here was the first prompt that I wrote. This image was taken in a very dark room with red light. I want you to recreate the colors like it is a normal day with sunlight, and a normal colors with dramatic and cinematic look. So these two were the keywords that I used a lot: dramatic and cinematic look. And if you want to add dark, some darkness around the image, it gives a good vibe. For that, you need to write add dark vignette around the image. Okay, so these are the keywords that you need to use. And then we got this. And if I want to show you the process exactly, let me just create a new chat here. So I can come here and I can select one of these images. And then here I can write down, I want you to keep everything the same in this image. Just improve the lighting and colors like it was taken by a professional camera. Add dark vignette around the image, make it look dramatic and cinematic, and also make the background blurry. And then at the end I added 4K, so it knows it should create a 4K image. Then all you need to do is to just select the image that you want and send this request. Okay, then it will start process the image, and when it is ready, it will download the image and you can see it. So I'm gonna fast forward to the point that the image is ready. So it took about 1.5 minutes and the image is ready. Let's look at it together. This is the image it made. And if we want to find, yeah, here's the original. This was the original. And this is after. Before, after. So it is that easy. And the good thing about it is that when we are using Rangy Agent, we don't need to care about the prompt anymore. So this is the prompt that I wrote. And this is the prompt that Rangy Agent wrote for the AI model to generate this image. Okay, so we don't need to care about the prompt and the exact keywords and what is going to work in the prompt and what is not going to work in the prompt. We do not care about that at all. So this is the main advantage of using Rangy Agent. It makes your work much easier and you can generate high quality images like this. And of course, when you generate some images, if you're happy with the result, you can click on good, or if you're not happy with the result, you can click on not good. You can also do it here. This will help Rangy Agent to learn from the prompts and improve its brain and become much better in writing prompts for you. So again, if you don't have Rangy, you can get it from the link down in the description. And the good news is that right now that I'm recording this video, we have 40% sale. So you can use that and get the offers that you want. And if you have any question, or if you need help on Rangy Agent or with any AI model, you can write a comment for me. Of course, do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. This way I will understand that you are interested in this kind of trainings and I will make more of them for you. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos and trainings on AI models. So that would be all for this video. I hope you liked it and I will see you soon on the next one.